Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm super.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Okay, what day is it today, boys, girls?
12th December.
What day? Is it Tuesday. Why? Today is Tuesday. What season? Season. Жыл мезгілі қандай?
Winter.
Winter. Okay, you are right. Now it's winter. Okay, what the weather like today? It was yesterday snowy, yes, and today so cold, yes.
Yes.
Okay, snowy. Okay, boys, girls. In order before we start our open lesson, in order to be in a good mood during the open lesson and to be in a friendship atmosphere, let's show a video. Okay, morning day affirmation. Watch the video and repeat along watching. Okay,
Okay.
Okay, affirmation for students. That is pretty amazing. Okay.
Repeat these affirmations before you start your day. I am smart.
I am smart.
I am special.
I am special.
I am. I am a good friend. Confidence.
I'm confident.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am intelligent.
I am intelligent.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am positive.
I am positive.
I am love.
I am love.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am intelligent.
I am intelligent.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am positive.
I am positive.
I am important.
I am important.
I can learn anything.
I can learn anything.
Okay. What was your home task, Adelia?
Home task home.
Okay, our class lesson we learned about rooms, yes, in house, yeah. Бөлмелер салу, yeah. Your task was to make a house, yes. Қанша бөлме бар? How many rooms?
Four.
Қандай бөлме? What rooms?
Bedroom.
Living room, kitchen and bathroom, yes.
Bathroom.
This is our homework. Let's review our last lesson. Descriptor of this task must work with the pictures. Know the vocabulary of previous lesson. Okay, now 9 var, 9 var. Okay, Atik. Okay, let's check. Two, second. Екінші. Garage. Very good. What room? Қандай комната?
Bedroom.
No. What room is it? Айтамыз. Kitchen. You are right. Okay, good job. Good job. Very good. You are right. Once. What room is it? Child's bedroom. Good. Child the first. Open. What is it? Garden. Good. We have fifths and the third. Which one? Bedroom. Okay. At last lesson we learned about rooms in a house, and today we learn about places in a town. Yes. Қаладағы жерлер қойып. Okay. Және де ортасында, артында, ішінде деген preposition'дарды қолдана отырып тапсырмалар істейтін боламыз. Okay. Learning objectives. Use a range of language from the topic to express views and pose a range of relevant activity accurately. Make sentences using prepositions of places. Okay, next. Places in a town. These are our new words.
Supermarket.
Butchers. Bakers. Hospital. Post office. And the last switch shop. Bakers. Келесі аурухана. Пошта. дүкені? Жеміс жидек дүкені? И супермаркет. Супермаркет. Және де ет өнімі дүкені. By the method torch, we are going to divide into two groups. Come here one by one. Okay, let's choose one card and by the torch, by pulling the card, let's know what group is it. Okay, rooms. Okay, the group rooms sit here. Rooms. And the second group is places. Places will be playing workshop to choose. Yeah, jigsaw puzzle. The script of this task: match the words with the pictures. You should match the words with the pictures. Post office.
Yes.
Sweet shop.
Yes.
Tursan?
Yes.
How many mistakes do you have? How many mistakes? Do you have mistakes? Mistakes. Okay. Good job. You must choose one card from this and the script. Okay? Count one by one. Choose one card. Bir карточка таңдаймыз, келеміз. Take your seat. It's individual work. Жеке жұмыс. Әркім өзі істейді.
You are ready.
Okay, very good. Read the full sentence.
You can get bread from bakers.
From the bakers. Бала, бәріміздікі bakers деп тұрма? You can buy bread from the bakers. Яғни нанды қай жерден аламыз? Bakers. Okay, right.
A candy from sweet shop. Sweet shop.
Sweet shop candy. We can buy candy from the sweet shop. Дұрыстаймыз, бір қате уже. Дұрыстаймыз бәрін. Sweet shop. Алина.
You can get apple from green grocers.
Right, you can get apples from the green grocers. Бәрімізді сондай ма?
Yes.
Okay, the first, Amida, please.
You can get money from bank.
Okay, you can get money from bank, right?
Yes.
Last, I think. How many points do you have right here? Your scores. You should write here your scores. Қанша бал алдық, мына біріншіге жазамыз. From bakers. Бірінші bakers.
Yes.
Дұрыс болса белгілейміз дұрыс деп. Тик. Yes. You can get a candy from sweet shop.
Yes. Sweet shop.
Okay, you can get apple from green grocers.
Yes.
You can get money from the bank.
Yes.
Okay, you can get meat from the butchers.
Yes.
Okay, and right here, what points? For each correct answer, you get 1 point. You can 5 points. 5 points. 3 points. 5 points. 5. 3. Descriptor, yes, the place is correct. You should read correctly, and all other students will guess. Okay, where are you? Okay, Daniel. You should guess. Бәріміз табамыз, ол қай жерде екен, okay?
You can bake bread here, where I am.
You can buy bread. Where? Bakers, yes. Choose them, choose them. Көрсетеміз карточканы.
Teacher.
Okay, bakers, right. Come.
We can get money from here. Bank.
Choose them. Көрсетеміз карточканы. Дұрыстан?
Yes.
Are they right?
Yes.
Okay, right. Sit down. Nobody come.
You can see a doctor here.
Show them your card.
Yes.
Show them. Okay. He's right answer. Good job. Come.
We can buy classes from this shop.
You can write sweet shop. Alvina, good job. Here, come.
Alvina.
Okay, Anita, come.
You can buy apples here. Where are you?
Grocers, молодец, Аделя, good job.
Can see a teacher hire.
Okay, very good. He's in the school. Okay, next. Diana.
You can ready your baking here.
Good job. Nurmuhan.
We can send
A letter.
a letter from
Here.
post office.
Good job. Post office. Come.
Why can't we say something? Say
Butchers. Yes, right. You can buy the cottage in the butchers. Shelves.
and
Okay, good job. You are the best. Okay, the next one. Okay, look at the blackboard. Boys, girls, look at the blackboard. These are our second new words. Repeat after me. Opposite. Next to. Behind. Between. Okay, opposite дегеніміз балалар қарама қарсы. Бір қайталайықшы, opposite. Okay, жанында деген next to. Ортасында, between, артында, behind. Okay, once more, бір қайталайық тағы, yeah? Opposite. Next to. Between. Behind. Okay, let's do the words, name the places, complete the sentences correctly. 1 point for each correct answer. Балар, топтық жұмыс, сендерге карта беріледі, дескір тапсырмалар мынандай. Бірінші суретті сөздермен сәйкестендіреміз, және де қай жерде орналасқаны бойынша тапсырма береді, explanation. Соны толтыру керекпіз. Хорошо? Топтық жұмыс. This is
Post office.
Okay, read your explanation. In opinions.
He windows says the post office and he sweep.
Okay. Aslan, where is your green rose?
Next to the post office and the sweet shop.
Are they correct? Connection. The greengrocer is next to the post office and the sweet shop. Дұрыс па? Next to деген дұрыс па?
Нет.
Қайсы дұрыс болады? Between дұрыс болады. Бағар between ортасында. Екі нәрсе тұрса, значит ол ортасында. Greengrocer is between the post office and the sweet shop. Ортасында. Next. Екіншілі. Тыңдаймыз. Қатесін жөндейміз. Екінші топ.
The bakers is opposite the bank.
Bakers is opposite the bank. Opposite. Right. Correct. Girls. Келесі.
The bakers is next to the bakers.
Next to the bakers. Yes. You are right. Okay. The next.
The park is behind Hospital.
Hospital. Okay, right. You have one mistake. Yeah, бір қате, бізде бір қате, бірінші сөйлем қате. So, right here 4 points. You have on 4 points. 4. Bakers. This is supermarket.
House.
Bakers.
Post office. Hospital.
School. Okay, read the explanation. Okay, the supermarket is between the bakers and the butchers. As I write, дұрыс па балар? Between дейді, ортасында. As I write, дұрыс па? Дұрыс, yeah, they are right. Okay, next. Келесіне, оқыңыз.
The green grocer is next to the post office.
Okay, the green grocer is next to post office. As I write, дұрыс па? Next to. Yes, they are right. Okay.
The hospital is opposite the baker's.
Bakers, opposite. Okay, you are right.
The butcher's is next to the supermarket.
The butcher's is next to the supermarket. Next to. Дұрыс па? Next to. Жанында.
Yes.
Yes, they are right. The
The
last.
supermarket is opposite the green grocer.
Opposite. Okay, you are right. You have 5 points. Each one has 5 points. Doesn't. Let's play a game. Who is the faster? There is a surprise for you, and you should find it. Балар, ойын, квест табу керекпіз. Тапсырма табамыз, yeah? Бүгінгі сабақтың preposition'дары қойылған тапсырма, соны табамыз. Quest. Okay, this is for you. This is for first team. Okay, read and find your present. Well done, you did it. Good job. It is for you from me. You are the best. And the last is feedback. Feedback, балар. Yeah? Өзімізді бағалаймыз. Сабақты бағалаймыз. If it is everything was clear for you, you should tick your card here. Okay, put your card here. If your card here. Okay, if it was difficult for you, you should put your card here. Okay, write your names here. Атымызды жазамыз. Okay. Generally, if it was difficult, put here. Okay, this bus is full. I'm happy that everything was clear for you. Then you get it. Okay, you did your best. Thank you. Your home task from the activity book. Page number 37. Балар, home task from activity book. Page number 37. Let's do exercise 4 and 5. Okay? Keep your attention. Okay, let's end over. Goodbye.